Okay, this is Shaughnessy Gunner back here again today. Just going to do kind of a quick overview of the lock and load Sonic Cleaner from Hornady. I got it as a gift a while back. I never really put anything on it, but this is what comes in this kit. So it comes with a load, or a container of the formula to clean the cases, and it comes with a basket. Other than that, as you can see, I got some of the cleaner mixed with some water pre-mixed. I have these 357 mag cases. They're not overly dirty, but they do have some fouling in there. Finished that in. Okay. One thing to note is to not go above the max fill, so I'm under there. It's hard to see with all the bubbles, but go ahead and fold the handles down. Okay, you can add, so there is options for heat. I don't know if I'll really need it on this occasion because this brass wasn't really overly dirty. But I will turn this on and I'll come back at the end and see how they clean and kind of show you, what to expect. So as you can see, after turning it on, you can hear like that real subtle high-pitched sonic noise there. So that's agitating inside there a little bit. But yeah, I'll come back in a little bit. So I added, obviously, some more time. I forgot I only put 5 minutes on there, but I bumped up to 20 minutes. Online, Hornady does state that, it can take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes to clean the brass. I've seen that vary. So I started at 20. I'll check them. If I need any more time, I'll add some more. But as you can kind of hear, it's a lot quieter than, say, up there I have an old vibratory tumbler there. And that worked. I used to use corncob media, but that thing is just loud, and I'd let stuff sit in there for hours and it would not get them as clean as this does. So just one thing to note, if you're getting into reloading, definitely check these out, but I'll check back after it's done and we'll go from there. Okay, so the timer went off. One thing to note, and that's the one issue with getting your brass wet, is you got to dry it off afterwards. So like I said, this ran for about 20 minutes. Turn it sideways here. And the brass comes out just beautiful. Way quicker. I mean, there's still a few. I could probably run it again. Inside, it's hard to see, it's kind of dark, but one thing, a lot of times, you have the choice. You can either empty out the primer pocket by running it through the press. I find I like to have it clean ahead of the time before I do that, because I'll end up plugging up my my die for knocking out the primer and for resizing the case. So I always run it through here first, and if the primers are really that dirty, then I guess just run it through again, or most of the time I end up not having to do it. But one thing you do got to do is do a good shake and try to get all that water off. But it does come in this nice basket, so you can really shake it out. I'll do it probably pretty vigorous here in a minute. But I mean, like I said, this brass comes out really clean. And another thing to note is that you can save the solution for a couple times as well. So you don't have to dump it out. You can just kind of leave it the way it is and come back to it with some more brass later on down the line. But yeah, I mean, this is a great product from Hornady. I mean, any ultrasonic cleaner is going to be similar, but you can do gun parts in this as well. So say you got like a revolver, throw a cylinder in there. You could even throw a barrel in there. Anything that you really want to try to get clean that has a lot of carbon buildup. It takes a lot of the manual labor aspect out of it and makes it just a heck of a lot easier and quicker. So if you're just getting into reloading and you're looking for a way to clean, I mean, like I said, I have this is a Frankfurter,
ignore the bugs. All the ladybugs have came down here over winter and died. I need to clean that up. But yeah, these tumblers, they do work, but they are kind of a pain, to tell you the truth. So yeah, definitely check one out. Like I said, really makes quick work out of your brass there. Just a lot cleaner, and really just takes a lot of the margin of, I guess time is the biggest factor. So time is money, so depending on how much time you have to devote to it. And again, like I said, you want to shake out. As you can see, there's still a solution in some of these cases. So I'm going to take this over a sink and got a wash tub, and I'll just shake it all out pretty vigorously and then lay these out to let them dry. You do want to let them dry really well before you try reloading them. So clean them, let them set for a while. You know, probably just leave it be overnight and they'll be dry by tomorrow. But yeah, so yeah, check this out for sure. It's a great product. I'd recommend it to anybody getting into reloading or just gun owners in general. This is big enough you could put some small semi-auto parts in there, and it has to fit in the basket, so you could fit, like I said, the revolver cylinder or anything like that too. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll post some updates soon.